Hello and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services. Today's topic is how you can actually search and use references from Google Scholar in your assignments. So let me first open one. This is an individual report and we, the students, know how important it is to use authentic references in our assignments. And Google Scholar is your one-stop solution. But how you can do it? Suppose you are trying to in-text a particular line. Let me highlight one for you. This file has already a lot of references, but if in case we need to do some more references, then how we can do it? Let me show you this. Okay, so I'll just go back to the top and find one area where I need to do more in texting. Let me just stop here. Scholar. Okay, let me just type it. Yeah, Google Scholar, here it is. And I'll just go back to the report and select this particular line which is highlighted in the screens, and just copy this using Ctrl+C and paste it here in the search box and search for this line in Google Scholar. What this will do is it will give results for all the articles that have these discussions. And you can modify the search also using any time or any time range. You can actually custom the time range as well and search. So from this you can get many results and choose one that mostly supports your justification. And of course you have to choose your referencing style. For this it is Harvard. Copy it and paste it in a clean paper. Let me paste the references here. Okay, I'm just taking the first name, and this is how you cite your justification. So I am citing this line. I'll just open the bracket, paste the first name, use et al in italics, and then put the year and close the bracket. Simple. This is the basic Harvard referencing, guys. And let me show you another example. Suppose I'm searching for this line. Again, I'll go back to Google Scholar and paste it and search for it. Again, I'll be getting many results. I'll just choose multiple from here. This is another example. Let me choose this one first. Go back to the reference doc, paste it, and for this I will choose two names. Why two names? Because when your reference has more than two authors, then only you use et al in Harvard, right? Okay, it is done. Now what I'll do is I'll cut the initial, and again I'm going to refer another article. Let me do this. This has only one author. This will only be shown in the main document. Okay, again I'm going to select this, copy it and paste it in the main document. You can see that I have used colon because I am doing multiple citations here, right? I hope you guys can see. Now make sure you save the document and don't forget to align these new references with your old ones. Okay, copy them and scroll down to the main references for section and paste them. Okay, after you done pasting, another important thing that you need to keep in your mind is that you have to do A to Z so that it is aligned well with the academic format that your assignment requires. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.